Look at this. It started just a few days ago, and it already has thousands of followers. And check out these videos. Some of them are getting hundreds of thousands of views, even reaching lakhs. Right now, AI mini rescue shorts are growing insanely fast, and even brand new creators are going viral with this content. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create cinematic AI rescue shorts for free. Number 1, generate viral story ideas. Open ChatGPT. Now type Mini World ASMR. Click search. Now here's what most beginners do wrong. They pick the first idea randomly. Don't do that. Instead, scroll and look for something that feels emotional, mysterious, or slightly dark, moyen, cinematic. That's what actually performs well. Pick one idea. Now copy the title of that story and paste it back into ChatGPT. Then type, write a cinematic storytelling script with scene-by-scene breakdown and image prompts. Now wait. ChatGPT will generate your full cinematic story. Now your content foundation is ready. Step 2, generate cinematic images. Now open Google Gemini. This is where your story becomes visuals. Take the first image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Gemini. Click Generate. Now stop for a second and observe. This is your first cinematic frame. It sets the entire mood of your video. Now repeat. Download all images in order. Number 3, turn images into video. Now open Google Flow. Click New Project. On the left sidebar, click Upload Image. Upload your first image. Now here's where the real magic begins. Go back to ChatGPT. Type, write cinematic animation prompts for every scene. ChatGPT will now give you motion prompts for each image. Now copy the first animation prompt. Go back to Google Flow, paste it, click Generate. Wait a few seconds, your first cinematic scene is ready. Now repeat this system. Continue for all scenes. Step 4, final editing. Now open Clipchamp. Import all your video clips. Arrange them in correct story order. Now this is where most people fail. They just stitch clips together, but you need to ADD emotion and final export video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon, because I will be uploading more AI video creation tutorials like this. See you in the next one.